morning children, how are you all? Welcome back to our math session. So first of all, let's take a small recap what we have learned in your previous class or in your previous session. So what we have learned about the shapes, right? First of all, we have seen about a little bit information we have taken about the textbook. Then I have given some instruction regarding classwork and homework. After that, we have discussed about operations. Which are the operation? Four main operations are there in the math, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now children, that time I forget to tell you. Now what is the addition? Addition means all together. All these things you have learned, but I want to just revise this. What is addition? So addition means all together. What is the subtraction? Subtraction means to take away. To take away. What is multiplication? Multiplication means repeated addition. What is multiplication? That is repeated addition. And what is division? Division means repeated subtraction. So these all are the four basic math steps, operations that are correlated, internally correlated with each other. Then afterwards we have seen about shapes, plane shapes. Plane shapes are also called basic shapes, and 2D shapes also. 2D means two-dimensional shapes. And what are the types? That 5 main types: oval, circle, rectangle, triangle and square. Okay, and different types of live examples also we have seen. Now today we have to move toward the solid shapes, and I have told you about what is the difference between the solid and the 2D shape, or you can say the plane shape. That plane shape you can draw on the plain paper very easily. You can show all the 4 sides and vertices of the plane shape, but in the solid shape it is not possible to draw. Means it is possible to draw the plane shape, but the all sides not visible. Okay, that one also I will show you. I will show you how to draw and how many sides you can see, that I will show you afterwards. So first of all, solid shapes. What is the solid shape? The object around us occupies space, that is called the solid shape. And these are solid shapes, and these are all the solids. Solids means see, this is the solid, right? This is the solid, अंदर से पूरा पैक होता है, right? That is the solid. And solids are also called the 3D shapes. Okay, plane shapes are called 2D, and these are called the 3D shapes. All solid shapes have the faces, edges and corners. Okay, it has the faces, edges and corner. Three things it has: faces, edges and corner. And in the plane shape, 2 things are there. In plane shape, length and vertices, or you can say side and vertices, means corners are there. But in the solid shape, faces, edges and corners. 3 things are there: faces, edges and corners. Now first of all we will see what are the faces. Okay, so faces. So faces means I have this solid box here. Shape is cuboid. So the outer side that we can touch, this side, this side, this side, this side, this side and this side, all these sides we can touch, that is called the faces, or you can say the surface. Okay, it is called the faces, or you can say the surface. What is called the faces? The surface, outer surface that we can touch, that is called the faces or the surface. Now in faces also 3 types are there. Which are they? So some things have plain faces, some have curved faces, and some things have mixed both. Curved also there, and flat also there, or plain also there. So we will see the example. So first of all we will see about the curved faces. Now what is the curved faces? See, this is the ball, right? What is the face? The outer surface that we can touch, that is called the faces. Now which type of face it has? It has the curved face. Which type of face? It has the curved face. ऐसे जो होता है ना, that is called the curved face. So it has the curved face. So this is the example of the curved face. Or you can say the egg. Egg also have the curved face. So in faces 3 types are there: plain face, curved face and both faces. So first of all we have seen about the curved face. Faces means what? The outer surface of the thing that we can touch, that is called the faces. So this ball, egg, it has the curved faces. Which faces? Curved faces. Okay. After that, plane faces, or you can say the flat faces. So this is the thing, and this, can you see it is flat, right? It is flat. So this has the flat faces. You can say your book is there na? So this is the book. It also have the flat faces, or you can say the plane faces. Then brick. Here I have brick. This is the flat face. It has the flat face. Afterwards, dice. Are you aware about the dice? What is meaning of dice? डाइस એટલે જે हम लोग वो जो सापसीडी वगैरह खेलते हैं उसमें जो कुकी जे હોય ને, that is called the dice. So dice is also have the plain face. So curved face you have seen, plain face you have seen. Now the third one, some things are there that have the curved and flat faces. Now see, this is the mug, which outer side of this mug have the curved faces, right? Curved face, right? And the down face is the flat face. So this one, glass. Then you can see the bottle, right? This side is the curved face, and the upper and the lower faces are the flat faces. So some things are there that have the curved and flat faces both together. So this is about the faces. What are the faces? Faces means the outer thing of the outer surface of the thing, that one we can touch very easily, or that one we can see, that is called the faces. Three types of faces are there: plain faces, curved faces, and both type of faces, plain and curved together. Examples also we have seen. Now hope you understand these faces. Now